bugs. Okay, so I know you guys are sick and tired of me getting on YouTube and then disappearing and then getting on YouTube disappearing, but just know these new brand deals that I have, like I'll be able to do more YouTube videos and like kind of even out YouTube videos and pictures at the same time and reels and everything. So yeah, today I wanted to do a quick little haul before I go out tonight. I wanted to show you guys what I got from Fashion Nova. This bag here. Normally I get like a package every month with just 30 different items or 50. It really doesn't matter. But I just wanted to show you guys what I got. And yeah, we're gonna make this fast because I have somewhere to be. And I'm trying not to be late. I already did my hair and my makeup, so let's get straight to it. And by the way, if you see me looking like past the camera, it's only because the mirror is right there and I obviously have to make sure I'm centered. So the first item will be obviously this outfit. It's from Fashion Nova. I'm gonna have everything either in the links or I'll put it up on the screen here. So yeah, you'll just be able to click the link and get the exact outfits that I have. Okay, so this is outfit number 2. It gives like vacation vibes, super cute. I actually really love this. It's very comfortable. The material is like almost like a sheer satin cotton. Like it's like 3 different materials, but yeah, I'm really loving this. I'm absolutely loving this 2-piece. It's like a silky, stretchy satin. It's really stretchy. Yeah, I'm really loving this. This is cute for a date night. Like, me and the girls party. You can even go to a club in this, to be honest, depending on how, like, you wear your hair and everything. But, yeah, this is so cute. Even for, like, chill day, you can do this. Vacation vibes. And the top obviously can be like this, but yeah, super cute. So this is the next outfit. Yeah, so I know this is giving like gel mommy, but honestly this is so cute, especially when the model had it on. Like I thought it was really cute, especially if I pair it with like some really high heels or like a red heel, like, you know, something cute, like, yeah. And this is very chill. This is like windbreaker type of material. I forgot what this says. I don't know. It says something cute, but yeah, I love it. Cute. Here's the next outfit. Definitely a running errands chill type of look. Very flowy. It's a cotton type of material. Asymmetrical top that goes like that. Yeah, it has this detailing, the lining right here. Yeah, super comfortable. Regular joggers. Ignore my knees if they're ashy. But here's the next outfit. It's very stretchy and it gives like a mummy type of vibe with this fabric and everything. I'm really loving the colors of this. You can do a lot with hair, I guess. Like I would rather do like an updo or like a fringe bang look. Yeah, this is really cute and it fits really nice. I'm extra small or extra small or small. So everything that I get has to be really fitted unless I'm going for a baggy look. But even the baggy looks have to be fitted around the waist. So yeah, I'm loving this. Super cute. I obviously wouldn't pair this top with these jeans, but I only put it on because I just needed a top to have on with these jeans. But yeah, they're 2 different grays. They're both jean material. This is rigged at the top. Now these jeans are like jean material, but they're still stretchy, and I like the fact that they have these gray stars on the back. And this also ties up in the back, if you could see, like a shoelace. but I just can't be bothered to tie that up right now because I'm in a rush. I'm loving these. These are super bell bottoms, so obviously when I have heels on, it'll really flare out at the bottom, and it has like a little distressed at the very tip lining of the jeans. So yeah. Next pair of jeans that I got. These have like little sparkles on it. I don't know, like crackle. Remember that crackle polish that you used to have in, like back in the day? That's what it's giving. It's stretchy, but not too stretchy. It's like just the right amount. Fits my waist really good. And this, I hope you can't see my boobs, but if you can, oh well, you have boobs. It's not that big of a deal. But this is the lace corset. I could tie it up a little bit more, but I like this open gap right here with the shoelace. It's better than it being like fully closed, if that makes sense. Super cute. All right, so I'm loving these shorts. These shorts say Los Angeles, right? And then I love this top. Super, it's like skin tight, but stretchy at the same time. You could choose to put it on your shoulder like this, like to wear like, give it that type of vibe, or wear it off the shoulder like that. I wouldn't pair this with this, but as you know, I'm just trying on everything so you can see everything all at once, and I get this done faster. This is another shirt of mine. I can't be bothered to put it all the way on right now, but it goes like this, just of how it looks. It's turtleneck, goes all the way up there, so it's like that. And then this, well, the under boob, it's gonna be under boob because it has like the little pattern of the under boob right there. Super stretchy, really cropped, which I really appreciate. So yeah. I have this bodysuit. It's super metallic. It's giving off like a purple, pinkish metallic color. It's just regular razor back type of bodysuit. I don't want to put this on because I don't want my makeup to get on it, and the neck part is kind of like tight, so yeah. And then I have this graffiti skirt. It's super stretchy, really easy to put on. It's a mini skirt, and it just has like all these cute little prints that you can really dress up with any type of top within this color sort. The next outfit is this leather on leather type of vibe. Leather skirt, it has pockets, the actual real pockets too. Then I have this leather top. It's wired right here, so it's like hard material right there, but the top is kind of big on me. Honestly, just pin it in the back to have it like more tight. Wear a half bra with this just so I can have more cleavage because I don't have that much boobs. But I'm loving it. So cute. I love the vibe if I'm feeling it. Next item is this metallic stretchy skirt. I just kept this top on because I just needed a top to put on with this. I wouldn't necessarily pair it, but it doesn't look too bad. But me personally, I wouldn't pair this with that. It stretches like this, but it's really mini, so that's what I love about it. This is the next outfit. I absolutely love this top. It's giving tailored suit vibes. It's like cut off. It's not rigid, but it's just like regular straight. The pockets are long and they hang. This is like, well, this skirt's kind of big on me, so I gotta like tailor it in. Or I could just safety pin it, like, you know, make it work. But it's pinstriped. It's giving work vibes as well with this part and just this. And yeah, I'm just super loving it. I don't know if I would pair these two together, but maybe it could go, depending on which shoes and hairstyle I do. But I'll probably pair this with this other skirt that I have. So I'll show you. Is this super cute crochet top. I'm loving the detail. It looks really nice. You don't have to wear a bra with this. I suggest you not wear a bra so you can just see more of the definition of everything. I'm loving how, like, if you do this, it gives under boob. I'm a big fan of cleavage and under boob. Like, it's cute. depending on what you wear, but like most of the time when you have like, you know, little boobs, so cute. But yeah, it's really free and open, so yeah, be careful. Next item that I have is this stretchy, it's kind of windbreaky. It feels like windbreaker material or cotton material, but it's like a corset top. Fits really, really good on me. It's kind of tight actually, but I love it because obviously we hold the girls up, if you can see. Has the string detailing. You could choose to tie it up or not. I would probably do like, obviously a better bow than that, but yeah, it's really cute together. I'm loving it. I would even probably wear with this, depending. I don't know. These jeans is giving camo, army, wood print. Well, not wood, but forest print. And these are actually really big on me, and they're a size small, so I don't understand why they're this humongous, but I would take a safety pin and like really bring that in, probably more so in the back, so it could like be like that. But yeah, I'm not letting these go to waste. These are still super cute. They're like a light jean material, like very thin jean. Has a pocket here, pockets there, pockets at the bottom. Can't really see with the lens, but super cute. I wore this on my Instagram, so you can go see it posted. Next item would be this bandage dress, and I'm pretty sure we've all seen this dress everywhere in all different types of colors, but I really like this purple color. I feel like it's like a neutral type of purple that can go with like anything pretty much. I really like the shape of this, how it makes my boobs look. Makes me look, I have baggy shorts under this because obviously like I didn't know how far across this would go. I didn't want to show anything. But yeah, and then obviously you tie this up. I'm personally probably gonna cut them to about right here, so when I do the bows, it'll be still kind of big bows hanging, but I don't want it this long at all. So yeah, or you could just, honestly, you could just wrap it up like this and wear it however, but that's how I would personally style it. I'm loving it though. Super, super cute. The detailing, it's giving shoelace. It's super stretchy, and it gives off this like reflecting type of material. It's like shiny in a way, if you get what I mean. Love this dress. The way that it fits is so nice. I'm loving the way that it fits. And then loving the detailing. Like I obviously chose to have an under boob with this, but you can honestly like, you know, cover it if you want. But yeah, I like this under boob. Then it has this one. Honestly, I would like make it like skinnier, so I could do that. But yeah, this pattern brings me back to back in the day. Like it gives like nostalgic, I don't even know, like a Y2K, like gives that type of vibe. Super, super cute. It's stretchy, but it's also form-fitting. So like if you can see, like I could do a lot in this dress. It's very, very comfortable. It has like a black underlayer to it, so it's not like super see-through at all actually. And it's warm, it's slinky, like mesh. It's mesh and cotton. But I'm loving this. This is so cute. I can literally do any hairstyle with this. And I'm loving the colors. Like it gives soft gray, but then nude, pinkish, you know, type of vibe. I really love it. Last item is this jumpsuit. I couldn't even put it on because I ordered a size small and this looks entirely too big to wear. But it's cute, but I don't Like, I would need this really tailored, and I didn't want to put it on because it's gonna look crazy. But yeah, it has this detailing on it. If you could see, like these little stringly things. It has it on the back as well. Really simple, garage type of look, baggy, jean, I guess, jumpsuit. And lastly, I ordered these cute, furry, fuzzy teddy bear heels. It's a short heel, but it's super cute and it will go with anything. It has a buckle, as you can see. Teddy bear material. Like, this is so bomb. For real. I love it. I would wear it any day. This is like the type of heel you could walk around in and it just doesn't hurt. You can do anything in it for real. You can even run. But yeah, I love it. All right, so that was the end of my Fashion Nova April haul, and I hope you guys enjoyed all the items that I got. That's just like some items that I got for the month of April. I also got like these other items. I don't think it needs a haul because I kind of posted in most of the items, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Till next time. Oh, also, I have been going back and forth flying from LA to London, and I'm gonna put up that vlog, and I'm gonna vlog this current trip that I'm going on. I leave tomorrow, so that would be vlog number 2 for London, but I'll post vlog number 1. It's just so much in there that I just have to like edit and chop down everything. But I promise I will, so you guys can get more of an insight of how my life's been going and what I do. So I love you guys. I'm so sorry for being absent with this YouTube stuff. I kind of like, you know, this editing process. I don't have anybody to edit for me. And it's okay because I know how to edit myself and I know how to make thumbnails myself. But yeah, there's just no excuse. I'll just show you guys better than I can tell you. I hope you guys enjoyed this. So I love you, love bugs, and see you later.